Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to make videos of photos in TikTok. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. At first, you need to open TikTok application, then get logged into your account by providing correct account credential, that is your TikTok login ID and password. After you get logged into your account, you need to tap on the plus icon on middle of button. You tap on it. As we are going to make videos of photos, so you need to tap on the upload. You go in the photos option. Now you select the photos that you want to make videos of in your TikTok account. I am going with a few photos. After you are done, you tap on next. As you can see, the video has been made from the selected photos of mine. Here you can add any effects to it, also can write in for any text and also keep stickers on it. After you're done, you tap on next. Now you can describe your video, you can use any hashtags. Tapping on the post, your videos of photos will be posted on your TikTok account. That is, you will make the videos from your photos. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to make videos of photos in TikTok. Thank you.